Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Theresa here, and today I have just a really super fun layout in my Traveler's Notebook Life Crafted album from Citrus Twist. And so one of the things I wanted to do in my memory keeping this year is just have some fun and create some layouts that don't really have to fit into any particular chronological order, or just fun layouts that make me happy. And today I'm working with some of the product from our In My Pocket Collab Life Stories digital kit. And so you'll see some of the journaling cards. That's mostly what I'm working with today. And there were just some great elements in there just as to use as a cover page here. And so I'm going to cut out this wreath here that you can see on the gray journal card. And then I also printed out, what I started with was a vellum printout of another one of the journal cards in that kit. Our photo, it's like a 3x3 size, printed on my Canon selfie, and then a plain matte white background. And I'm using a matte white background because I wanted to do some stamping on this page. And even though I didn't really have a clear direction about what I wanted from this layout or what I wanted to document, it ends up being a nice little renewal kind of layout in terms of my husband and I, our relationship, and what I want to bring to our relationship this year. And as you guys know, Alan is my lobster, and we have a really amazing relationship. We're a blended family. It's our second marriage for both of us, and we truly are committed to each other, and that commitment goes into the new year. And so it was kind of nice just to do a little bit of journaling about what I want to bring into our relationship. And so another item that I'm going to work with is this Studio Calico January monthly stamp. And so I've been collecting those and it's so nice to have a full set, the January to December set. And so you can see how I've used one of the word sentiment stamps, Good Times Ahead, directly onto the background, and the top one smudged a little bit. So we're going to cover that. We're going to cover that with this gorgeous wreath here and let that be the sort of tab embellishment at the top of the page. And then that left a little bit of space here to use these squares that are kind of like bullet points. And so along with the squares, I think what I'm going to do is stamp a couple of lines and create journaling across that. I just got to find the right ink cube. And so this gray one from Memento is a great option. Gray, great. I know. Bad joke. But anyway, so that sort of brings in a neutral tone. It also repeats the gray from the wreath background at the top of the page. And I always say that you can use any color you like in a layout, but repeat it so that it looks familiar around the page. And then just gonna see here what to do about lines, and also what pen to use for my journaling. So hunting for that, and ended up going with this Jelly Roll. I really love Jelly Roll pens. They have just a little tiny bit of sparkle to them, and they just apply ink really nicely to the page. But here we are back to these lines, and these line stamps are some that I've had for quite a few years now. They originally came from a December Daily stamp set from Paisley Press. I have no idea what year it was. They don't even go back in the packaging. They just sit on my desk, and I pull from them all the time. And so you can see where I'm also just masking a little bit on that corner where I had already stamped. And this is the thing I love about Traveler's Notebook layouts. I just find a little space and put something in it. Whether it's a stamp or a puffy sticker or a word strip, just find a little space and put something in it. And it doesn't even have to have a rhyme or reason. Of course, I'm all about good page design. If you guys have followed me any length of time at all, you know I love a good solid composition. But on this page, I threw that all out the window and just put things where I wanted to put them. And it really gives this really fun, lighthearted feel to the layout. And notice how my sad face, my original Jelly Roll pen, it ran out of ink in the middle of journaling. So I grabbed a different one, and this one works so much better. Go figure. And so watch what I did. There's a couple of ways to handle that when when your ink runs out or your stamping doesn't go right. And of course, I could have covered that with white cardstock and just kept going. But what I did was embrace the mess, and I just wrote over the first couple of lines to darken them and make it so that they fit, so that they match the rest of the lines. And yes, there's a little bit of a shadow because I didn't trace over it perfectly. And I'm just going to go with that. If that bothers you, then cut another white piece of cardstock and cover it and restamp it and rewrite it. And no one ever has to know. But I just kept going. I just kept on going here. And then notice how I stamped some of those snowflakes also around the page. And I continued with that pink ink. Who doesn't like pink snowflakes? That was perfect. And then, you've got to have some rainbows. The beginning of the year, you always need some rainbows. And that's exactly what these rainbow puffy stickers brought into the page, was just a little bit more fun, a little bit more color. And, of course, puffy stickers. You've got to have puffy stickers. I'm going to take a minute here and check me out, pat me on the back, give me a high five. I'm cleaning up my stamps, putting them away. I know, it's a novel idea. And going to just put that away. And I feel like the layout still it still has a few little white space places that need something. So I went and grabbed some more Ellie Studio puffy hearts. I don't know, do you guys see this? This page of puffy stickers is looking a little light. I'm probably going to have to do a restash. But I'm going to use some of these pink and red hearts and dots and just go crazy. At this point, I'm just going crazy. And when I look back at it now, it looks like it sort of has a little bit of Lisa Frank vibe. So totally fun, happy layout to share with you today. I hope you'll hop over to the blog and check out the blog post. Check out the digital kit as well in our shop. And I'll see you back here again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.